What's up, my name is Chris and welcome to my new Airsoft page. So I originally was going to promote this channel with a meme page I had called Spaghetti Memes. The page had 11,000 followers but ended up getting hacked, so I'm just doing everything from scratch now. It'll probably take a long time to grow, but I'll just be having fun because after all it's just a hobby. Basically in this video there's just going to be clips of last weekend, so if you'd like to visit these sites that are in the video and you're in the UK, the first set of clips are from Airsoft in Pittington, and the second set of clips from the CQB village, that's Dirty Dog Shildon. I'll leave the postcodes in the description if you'd like to visit, or the websites or whatever. Anyway, I'll just let the clips play on, but before I want to give a quick shout out to my best mate Dom, because I use his gun at the very start before it stops feeding the BBs. So if you want to see more Dirty Dog gameplay or more gameplay with that gun, then I'll link his channel in the description. So anyway, enjoy the clips. Yeah, it's fucked. You gonna call it? Really? Finally.